Advantages of e-learning. We need to bring learning to people instead of people to learning. The benefits of e-learning are numerous, and despite all my best efforts, one article is not enough to highlight all of them. That's why I decided to selectively pick out the most important advantages of e-learning. These are the benefits which sets e-learning apart from other learning methods and which I consider to be the most important of all. Online learning is self-paced. Students who study online can plan their own time schedule without having to make personal sacrifices in order to meet the class attendance requirements of teacher and traditional universities. The research has demonstrated that self-paced learning leads to increased student satisfaction and reduced stress, resulting in improved learning outcomes for everyone involved. Some of the advantages of self-paced learning include efficiency, effectiveness, convenience, scalability, and reusability. E-learning is student-centered. Student-centered learning, or SCL, also refers to as learner-centered education, is a modern learning method which aims to put the students in the center of focus rather than the teachers. The reason why I listed it as an advantage of e-learning is that student-centered learning goes hand in hand with e-learning. Online learning is fundamentally student-centered due to the easy implementation of student discussion boards and peer grading system. In fact, many of the 10 types of e-learning largely revolve around the idea of student-centeredness. Both collaborative e-learning and synchronous online learning promotes student-to-student interaction. Being able to plan and design fully student-centered online learning environment is one of the greatest advantages of e-learning. The value of student-centered must not be underrated. E-learning is cost-effective. Due to simplified logistics and lowered travel costs, among other factors, learning institutions who utilizes e-learning can expect to save 50% to 70% on overall training cost. Cost efficiency in e-learning applied not only to educational institutions but also similarly applies to the students. For instance, e-learning reduces all the costs associated with commuting, textbooks, and childcare. For education institutions, the cost effectiveness of e-learning can also be advantageous when used together with the classroom-based learning. This is known as blended learning, and it is an excellent alternative to those organizations who are not yet ready to fully move over to e-learning. Individual learning styles. E-learning takes into consideration the differences of individual learners, and it allows students to practice their own individual learning styles. In other words, students are not always required to pass all unwanted courses in a curriculum, and they can choose specific topics of interest to them. All students have different learning styles, and there will never be a one size fits all type of solution which will match all students at once. That's why individuals' learning methods are some of the most or the greatest advantages of e-learning. For instance, one of the most innovative type of e-learning, adaptive e-learning, has the potential to be the most individualistic learning methods ever made if implemented correctly. To recap, adaptive e-learning materials are designed to automatically change and adapt according to the knowledge, skills, and needs of each individual students. Customizable learning environments. Research has found that employees working in environments without pictures, plans, souvenirs, and other were 15% less productive than those working with the set distractions. This also applies to the educational context. Students who don't have a desire or desirable learning environment will feel its effects on their learning performance and mental health. This is where the problem arises. In traditional classroom, the learning environment are predetermined by the educational institutions according to their preferences. In other words, the students rarely have any say in what their learning environment looks like. On the other hand, in the case of e-learning, the students have total control of their learning environment. Those students who feel the benefits of a plan-filled environment can customize their e-learning environment accordingly. And those students who feel better in a minimalistic learning environment without any distractions can reap the benefits of such e-learning environments. E-learning fully utilizes analytics. Data is a new oil, and e-learning makes use of students' data much more effectively than any other form of learning in history. That is because of e-learning analytics. E-learning analytics is the extraction of valuable information from online learning management systems, and it's another one of the greatest benefits of e-learning. With the students' data gained through e-learning analytics, education institutions can improve their training materials and boost learning outcomes in various ways. For example, if we have data on student dropout rates, we can identify the potential pitfalls on our learning materials and eliminate them. Afterward, we can gather new data and analyze whether our changes are beneficial to our e-learning outcome or not. The value of data in education is immense, and its full potential is yet to be realized. Online learning could solve teacher scarcity. In 2019, the Economic Policy Institute, or EPI, educational economists, wrote in their report that the shortage of experienced teachers is real, large, growing, and worse than we thought. Moreover, the Policy Institute, LPI, has also identified the problem of teacher scarcity on numerous occasions, describing as its one of the most pressing issues facing policymakers. The issue of teacher shortage will undoubtedly be difficult to solve, but the benefits of e-learning in combating teacher scarcity could be vastly underestimated. To clarify, let us make a comparison. Regular universities have an average of 16.5 students per staff member, while e-learning courses complete by one or two qualified and experienced teachers can be served to thousands, if not millions of students. E-learning could potentially eliminate the need of related the massive 3 million person teaching workforce used in the US today. Instead of focusing our efforts on requiring more teachers, perhaps we should instead focus on enabling our highest quality teachers to deliver their materials to a broader range of students through e-learning. E-learning is environmental friendly. On average, distance learning courses consumes 90% less energy and emitted 85% fewer carbon dioxide emissions than traditional university courses. In addition, an e-learning is a paperless learning method. It does not contribute to many of the environmental issues associated with the paper production. For example, there is no need to cut down trees for paper or to create paper cellulose production factories which are known to cause atmospheric pollutions in surrounding areas. No need for textbooks. The total value of the textbook industry is 7 to 10 million, and the average 7 to 10 million, 7 to 10 billion dollars. And the average college student spends close to $1,200 per year on textbooks. Many students finance their textbook purchases from their student loan, and students who graduate with the students' loans are known to experience increased stress and depression. One big advantage of e-learning is that it requires absolutely no textbook from its students. All the learning materials can be accessed online without restriction. Online learning materials can be retaken and updates an infinite amount of times, unlike textbooks which needs to be reissued and rebrought once again when they become obsolete. And the last one is time efficient. Online learning cuts the learning time down by 25% to 60% compared to traditional classroom learning. Coupled with the advantages of self-paced e-learning, this results in a highly time-efficient learning solutions both for the students and the teachers. In traditional learning institutions, making changes to school curriculums is a long and complicated process which is often avoided due to its complexity. However, in the case of e-learning, lessons can be delivered and updated quickly and efficiently, sometimes within days. When used in conjunction with the data-oriented e-learning analytics, these changes to the learning materials are not only based on theory but real evidence or real-time experiences. That's all for now. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. Thank you.